What's up, Profit Cleaners? Brandon Shane and Brandon Condry in the house. We got another question that a lot of you have been asking. We want to help add some value to your life. So a lot of you say, I'm still cleaning. I'm stuck in the cleaning. I need help. I need to get out of the cleaning. How do I get out of the cleaning so I can actually grow my business? What do you want to tell people here, Brandon? Because this is a really common thing that people
It's not rocket science. You got to hire someone to do the cleaning. So you got to hire someone to replace yourself for the cleaning, train that person, and then trust them to do the work. Going up front, you got to know they are going to make mistakes. They're not going to do it as good as you do it. So you just have to know that going up front and deal with that as it comes along. It's just going to happen. People are going to make mistakes. They're not as good as you, but by them cleaning, then you have more of your time back to work on the business. Put a marketing plan in place, contact new customers, follow up on warm leads, that type of stuff.
Absolutely. And really that's another structure in your business is replace yourself. Instead of you in-person training and micromanaging your teams, duplicate your process, create a process around it, model our process, our training if you want to, but put a system in place that's not you, that your team can rely on. And at that point you can step out of that role, have a way that they can inspect their work, have a way to incentivize their work. So they're going the extra mile when you're not there. So you don't have to always be looking over their shoulder. Once you guys get out of the cleaning, then you're actually really working on the higher level parts of your business. So you should really focus on dialing in your product, your customer experience. Once you do that, hand it off to your team, duplicate yourself, replace yourself, like Brandon said, and then you can go get more customers and that's a great time to get more customers because your product is great and you have duplicated that process. And is it going to be super fast in the beginning, Brandon?
No. It's going to take a while. Not, right? So hire someone, still go out with them to clean. You got your team that's going to go cleaning. Go out with them for the first week, whatever. Follow along, shadow them, answer any questions that they have. But at some point, you got to cut the umbilical cord and let them fly, man, and see what happens.
Yeah, and part of that system is going to help you avoid those mistakes because they're going to be following that process. It should be consistent, high quality, the same process at every house, the same experience everyone's getting. But that's not going to come if everyone's just doing their own thing. You got to have everyone following the same system, the same products, the same tools, the same deployment of all that and execution of all that. And when you guys are doing that right, the customers are going to love it. They're going to want to tell everyone else about it. Your marketing is going to go way further. So focus on getting out of the cleaning. Don't get stuck in the cleaning. That should be one of the very first things you delegate in your business is get out of the cleaning, find some great people that match your core values that you can plug into your system, model a system, model our system, whatever you guys want to do. If you want to learn more about this, go to profitcleaners.com/masterclass. Watch the masterclass. You're going to learn a ton of valuable information. Book a strategy call with us, and we're going to help you guys take it to the next level and win.
Keep it clean.
Keep it clean, guys.